सो माझं नाव आशुतोष टेंकर. आमच्या कॉलेजचं नाव सेंट झेवियर्स कॉलेज फ्रॉम म्हापसा आणि ह्यो आमी प्रोग्राम आज अटेंड केल्लो युवा महोत्सवाचो युवा संकल्प विकसित भारत प्रोग्राम. सो आमकां खूब बरी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळी. ड्रगाचे बद्दल सांगलें की ड्रग्सान म्हणजे कशें तुवें भायर सरपाचें, कशें ड्रगा कडल्यान पयस रावपाचें, कसले हे सबस्टन्सीस कोण घेता तांकां सांगपाचें की हे बरें न्ही, तुवें भायर येवपाक जाय. आनी हो प्रोग्राम खूब इन्फॉर्मेटीव आहलो आमच्या खातीर.
स्किटी दाखयलेले भितर खूब कितें शिकपाक मेळ्ळें की कशें आमी पयस रावप, कशें आमी आपली स्वताची आमी हेल्प करूं शकता ते व्हिडिओ पळोवन. बेसिकली सगळे स्टुडंटां खातीर आनी म्हणजे कोण ड्रग्साक इनवॉल्व आसा सगळे खातीर ते खूब हेल्पफूल आसता एक्चुअली. आनी आमकांय खूब कितें शिकपाक मेळ्ळें.
जेन्ना म्हणटा यूथ खुबशे ड्रग्साक वा ते बॅड हॅबिट
स्टार्ट फ्रॉम
यूथ कडल्यानूच स्टार्ट जाता. सो हाचे तूं कशें पळयता एज अ यूथ म्हणून, कारण तुजे फ्रेंड सर्कलाचे खुबशे कॉलेजीन तुजे फ्रेंड खुबशे तुवें खूब पयले आसतले जे बॅड हॅबिटान आसतले. सो एज अ यूथ म्हणून कितें मेसेज
एज अ स्टुडंट म्हणून
एज अ यूथ एज आपले फ्रेंड सर्कल आमकां बरें दवरूंक जाय. आमी कोणा वांगडा बसता उठता तेजें आमकां लक्ष दवरूंक जाय आनी आपले स्वताची डिसिजन आमी स्वताच घेवंक जाय. माय नेम इज स्नेहा
कॉलेज
म्हापसा.
आज तुवें प्रोग्राम अटेंड केला गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी नशामुक्त युवा, तो कितें सांगचें दिसता तुका?
I thought chief guest Ashlor, it was the DGP of Goa Police. It was a very wonderful experience where we got to learn about more how the government is supporting us youth and how they want us to tackle this thing of addiction. As you can see over here, Gen Z against addiction, Nasha Mukt Bharat for Viksit Bharat. It is an initiative by the government for us, to help the youth and also the community of India to prevent addiction, to go and follow a better path other than addiction, where we can do sports, where we can have multiple hobbies and where we can enjoy our lives more better way rather than going and doing addiction. I'm Sudha and I'm from Nursing College, Bambolim.
When you saw the street play, after watching the street play, what you came to know?
That street play wasn't just a play, it was reality of multiple students, how students get into peer pressure and then FOMO and how they just end up doing addiction. It shouldn't be done. And one more thing, if you have observed in the street play, it was that they were showing that in the initial part that the student was alone, he was feeling alone, but in reality in the later part also it was clearly shown that the student is not alone. There are multiple people, there are the communities there, the parents are there, the people are there, the rehab centers are there to help support the people of those who are doing addiction. So nobody is alone over here in this fight.
From your side, what do you like to say for the students?
For students, I would like to say that life is very big. Do everything that you like. Addiction is not the only thing that you have to do, or drugs. But other than doing drugs, you go do bungee jumping, you go do some adventure, go for solo travels, do everything that you like. Other than addiction, you'll start even content creation. Yeah, take your parents, make your family proud, enjoy your life. Thank you.
Your full name and you're from which place?
I'm Sudha Vishwakarma. I am from Institute of Nursing Education, Bambolim.
What will be your further goal for higher studies?
I'm actually pursuing nursing, so I would actually like to convey people. I would continue with my profession and I want people to know more about disease and how to prevent them rather than getting and understanding how they should have prevented it. Like in diabetes, people are not told before only how to prevent. They are first they are given medicine and then they are told that they can do dietary changes and then they are told to do lifestyle changes. But then before only getting diabetes, people need to be told that they need to do exercises at least 30 minutes and then they need to do have a very good diet rich in fibers and complex carbohydrates.
वाह, पुताच्या येवपाच्या खुशयेन आयज रांदची कूड सामकी परमळीत जाल्या.
हो घेयात, पंचामृता गोडान तयार केल्ल्या गोडशाचो स्वाद घेयात.
हे तुज्या हातीन कितें आसा?
पंचामृता मीठ. आता येतकूच रोकडोच म्हणटलो न्हय, म्हजी भजी खंय आसा? आयलो म्हजो रिजवान. तुजे आवडीचे पुरी आनी शोले. आनी ही तुजी भजी. आनी म्हजे कडल्यान ही तुका बिर्याणी. हे तुजे आवडीचे गोडशे.
चवीचो खंयचोच धर्म नासता. पंचामृत, भारताची वळख. घराघरांनी पंचामृत.